Welcome to Kids Learning Center.
Hello kids. In this video, we will learn alphabet. A.
Yankee Doodle went to town
A.
riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni. Yankee Doodle, keep it up.
B.
Yankee Doodle dandy, mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
B.
C.
Father and
C.
I went down to camp along with Captain
Red color.
Pudding, and there
Red
we
color.
found the men and boys as thick as hasty
Orange color.
pudding.
Orange color.
Keep it up, Yankee
Yellow color.
Yellow color.
music and the step, and with
Blue
the
color.
girls be handy.
Blue color.
Green color.
Green color.
Purple color.
Purple color.
Pink color.
Pink color.
Brown color.
And there
Brown
was
color.
Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them. Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle
A for apple.
dandy, mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
A for apple.
B for ball.
Yankee
B for
Doodle
ball.
went to town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni. Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy,
C for cat.
mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
C for cat.
A.
A.
B.
B.
C.
C. Thank you. See you soon.